Hey there, beautiful people. Ever wondered what goes on in your waxer's mind while you're lying there, bearing it all? Well, today, we're pulling back the curtain and revealing 10 secrets your Brazilian waxer won't tell you but you need to know. Some of these might shock you, but trust me, they'll totally change your waxing game. Let's dive right in. Secret number 1. Not all wax is created equal. There are different types of wax: hard, soft, and even sugar wax. Some salons cut costs by using cheap wax that's harsher on your skin. Always ask what type they're using. Hard wax, for example, is gentler and better for sensitive areas. Secret number 2. Timing matters. Did you know that waxing during your period or right before it can hurt more? Your skin is extra sensitive during this time. For the best experience, schedule your appointment mid-cycle when your pain tolerance is higher. Secret number 3. Pre-wax prep isn't optional. Many people don't prep properly before their appointment, but skipping exfoliation can lead to ingrown hairs. Exfoliate 24 hours before your wax and avoid heavy creams on the day it makes the wax less effective. Secret number 4. Double dipping happens. Unfortunately, not all salons follow proper hygiene. Double dipping a spatula being reused in the wax can spread bacteria. Keep an eye out, and don't hesitate to ask about their sanitation practices. Secret number 5. Your skin type affects the pain level. If you have sensitive or dry skin, waxing might be more uncomfortable. Using numbing creams or prepping your skin with soothing moisturizers can make a huge difference. Secret number 6. Waxing can make hair grow back finer. But not always. This one's complicated. While consistent waxing can lead to finer hair, hormonal changes can still affect regrowth. Don't expect miracles right away. Secret number 7. Some areas hurt more than others. Here's the truth. Not all areas are created equal. The closer you get to the center, the more sensitive it gets. But don't worry, your waxer knows how to minimize the discomfort. Secret number 8. Your waxer notices your hygiene. Yes, they can tell if you skipped your shower. Please, do everyone a favor and arrive fresh and clean. It's basic courtesy. Secret number 9. Breakouts after waxing are preventable. Post-wax bumps or redness are usually caused by bacteria. Avoid tight clothes, sweaty workouts, or touching the area for 24 hours. Use a soothing cream to calm the skin. Secret number 10. You don't always need to tit big. Your waxer values respect and consistency more than anything. A fair tip is great, but being a polite, regular client goes a long way. And there you have it, 10 secrets your Brazilian waxer won't tell you but really wants you to know. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insider beauty tips, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out. Until next time, stay smooth and fabulous.